I will say, I do not have a green thumb. I have a black thumb.
Same here.
I kill everything other than my children.
Oh my God.
No, but it's true. I mean, my pets, so my pets stay alive.
Hi everyone, you're watching a close-up on Customization 2 in the FabFitFun Spring Box. If you're new here, FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box and shopping club where you can discover and try full-size products from top brands at amazing discounts. If you're already part of our community, welcome back. I'm Tasha, I'm the Director of Brand Marketing at FabFitFun, and today I'm joined by our co-founder and editor-in-chief, Katie Kitchens. Thank you for joining.
So excited to be here.
We're so lucky to have you today. You know everything about all the products.
Spring is a really good box.
We are deep diving on all of the products that you can choose from in this customization, and if you're not a member yet, we will have a special code for you at the end of the show, so let's get into it. First up, we have the Bobbi Brown Longwear Cream Eyeshadow Stick in Golden Pink and Crushed Oil-Infused Lip Gloss in New Romantic Bundle.
So we are so excited because this is the first time Bobbi Brown has ever been in a FabFitFun box.
Big deal.
It is obviously an iconic brand that everybody knows, and these products are fantastic. So this is the eyeshadow stick. She's really easy to use. She just glides on, gives you that little bit of sparkle, no brush required, and it makes putting on your makeup on the go super easy. It has a really beautiful, smooth cream formula. It's waterproof. It actually lasts up to 24 hours.
Oh my gosh.
Pretty amazing.
Yeah, all the way till the next morning.
Well, I mean, hopefully you're washing off your makeup at the end of the night, but
listen,
look,
we
no
listen
judgment.
and we don't judge.
No judgment. If you want to keep that makeup on all night, you go for it, Tasha.
It just has to be this one.
Obviously, yes. But look, we love it because it is non-creasing, non-flaking. You can also use it in your waterline to give you that extra little pop, which I like to do. And then it's a bundle, so it also comes with the Crushed Oil-Infused Lip Gloss. So this one is really easy to wear. It's a beautiful, neutral kind of pinky tone. It can be worn alone or on top of your favorite lipstick to add that little bit of gloss and shine. I am personally a lip gloss girl. Lipsticks are harder for me, so I love a perfect non-sticky lip gloss, and that is key.
Absolutely, I am wearing it right now, and I really love that it's a true neutral pink. It's not the bubblegum
No, it's not too much.
in your face
It really
type of
does
pink.
look good on all different skin tones.
And Bobbi Brown, I mean, I'm so proud of the beauty team for getting Bobbi Brown.
I know, it was a labor of love, but they are killing it this year. It's amazing. You're going to see lots of great beauty products. And also this lip gloss feels really good on.
Feels buttery.
Yes, it's infused with all these beautiful botanical oils. And so it lasts, but looks really lovely.
Beautiful. Next, we have the Free People Surf Candle.
Yes, so this is actually the second time that we've had a Free People candle in the box. We brought her back in a new scent because everybody loved it so much. And this time it's in this really fresh springtime scent. It's an 8-ounce 1-wick candle. It's infused with really, scents of citrus, exotic flowers, sweet notes of vanilla, but it's not overpowering.
No.
It just smells like what spring is supposed to smell like.
Absolutely. What I love doing is when the seasons change, I love to change out my perfumes and my candles. It's an easy way to ring in the new season and have it really feel like spring or summer.
Well, and I mean, spring is a time to reset, refresh, so that is a perfect way to get you into that springtime vibe. But let me ask you a question. Do you light your candles?
Of course.
Well, not
Who
everybody
doesn't?
does. No, a lot of people, yes. I'm telling you, there is a huge number of people who never actually light their candle. I mean, it's a beautiful piece you want to display her, but once you light her, it makes it a little bit harder.
I will say, I was just at your house the other day filming, and you did have a number of candles that were not lit, and I could tell they had been there for a little while.
That is accurate. Look, we feature a lot of candles at FabFitFun. I do a lot of testing. Some I light, some just stick around for a little while. So I'm here for both.
Yeah, and if it has a really beautiful vessel, you might just want to.
Yes, it's decorative, and it still smells amazing.
Next, we have the We the Wild Houseplant Care Essentials Kit. This is really exciting. We've never had something like this.
No, this is a completely new subcategory, which is something that the team is always looking for. I will say, I do not have a green thumb. I have a black thumb.
Same here.
I kill everything other than my children.
Oh my God.
No, but it's true. I mean, my pets, so my pets stay alive as well. So the dogs and the kids are good to go.
You've got 3 dogs now.
Yes, I don't know what happened.
But the plants
are not living well. But But this is going to change everything because this kit is everything you need to help your plants thrive. So we have the neem oil, which helps to, give your plants a little bit of shine. It helps their leaves look their natural best. And then we have the grow concentrate. So you put this in your plant's water and it helps to nourish your plants so they live longer. And then the enriched support pellets, which you actually put into the soil. So these are all using 100% organic ingredients. They have over 200 microbes and they're actually made from worms.
Oh, interesting. I know a houseplant hates to see me coming. I cannot keep a houseplant alive because I need it to be simple. I need the care to be just like no-brainer. But the trick really is that you have to actually use this.
You have to use it. But what's nice is this is really easy to use, and once it becomes part of your routine,
then I can do it.
Maybe that's the key. I'm not sure. I think I'm still gonna kill things. But the nice thing is this set is safe for all of your pets and can be used year round. I don't know, I'm gonna be a plant lady this year. I'm gonna put it into the world.
Next we have the OSEA Malibu Ocean Eyes.
So OSEA is another FabFitFun member favorite brand, super luxe, female founded. This hydrating serum uses ingredients like seaweed, hyaluronic acid, caffeine, and peptides to wake up tired eyes while addressing all of the signs of aging, like any dark circles or little lines that you may have around your eyes. It has this really beautiful rollerball application that feels just really cooling, nourishing, and easy to use.
I've been using this and I love that it's a glass bottle and this metal rollerball just makes it so cooling under the eyes. I felt like it immediately depuffed me. I used it this morning and it just went straight to work. And I was a little bit concerned that maybe the seaweed might dry down kind of starchy, but I think because the hyaluronic acid, it really doesn't. It absorbed right in and I couldn't even feel that it was there.
No, I think it's super moisturizing, and I will say the seaweed really is the key ingredient in all of OSEA's products, and we've seen algae continue to trend in the world of beauty products. The superfood is the best. We love it. Super luxurious, high-end. Here for it.
Our members love OSEA. Tell us in the comments if you would like to see more OSEA from us. Next, another brand that you all love, we have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Trio in Peachy Love or Berry Adore.
Yes, so I have the Peachy Love. You can see super pretty 3 full pigment blush shades in multiple color options, which is fantastic. They're super buildable, blendable, and what I love is that you can use each shade separately, or you can kind of mix and match to create your own personal, unique shade, which we love. It's great for on-the-go makeup application. It has this beautiful large mirror, a little lovely compact here for her.
Yes, very pigmented.
Yes.
I think that you can go ahead and build them to whatever saturation you want.
Yes.
I've been using this one and it's really, really beautiful on my complexion. So I think personally I would pick this one. You have a little bit more of an olive.
I do, and it's, I'm a little bit pale because I've not taken my spring break vacation yet, but just watch me. I will come back loving my peachy glow.
Yes. Next up we have the Rise and Shine Ceramic Fruit Bowl in Retro Flower.
She is so cute. So I will say, if you've been with FabFitFun for a while, you probably know us for our more neutral tones in the world of sort of kitchen and dining wear. But for spring, we wanted to have more of a pop of color.
Yes.
We love this bright, gorgeous ceramic bowl. She has this really pretty watercolor floral print. It's a huge, great size. She's 9.5 inches, 3 inches deep, so you can pile on all the fruit that you want. Great for salads. She is microwave safe, so if you wanted to do, we're obviously coming off of the holidays, so any of your hot green beans, potato dishes works wonders.
Yeah, I would put a beautiful salad in here, but you also don't just have to do fruit or food. You could also use this as display. We collect matchbooks, so I would fill this with matchbooks or, make it a catch-all for keys and everything else that you have. And I love that it is ceramic here. It's like nice and heavy.
And ASMR.
Yes, I have my static nail press-ons. Hopefully none of them like pop and fly off right now.
No, they're very sturdy.
Next, Love AJ collabed with ALYSSA LYNCH to create this Prong-Set tennis necklace. And I'm actually wearing it right now.
Looks so good on you.
Thank you.
And we love, look, she's super shiny, super pretty. She can be worn alone or layered like Tasha is showcasing. As we know, that mixed metal trend continues to be very popular, so you can pair her with gold, rose gold, silver, but she's super shiny and she's great. She can be dressed up if you're going out and you want to pair something with more of a formal gown or a cocktail dress, but she also looks great with a t-shirt.
Absolutely. I love layering this, and I like to just wear her all the time because I don't have to think about what she's matching with because she goes with everything.
Yes, exactly. The necklace also has a really strong, sturdy clasp.
Which is important.
Yes, because that, I tend to lose all of my jewelry, which is why I don't wear my wedding ring, even though I love my husband, but I've lost it maybe a couple of times.
Oh
Please don't
my
judge
gosh.
me. Well, one time summer, my daughter stole it. I don't know if that counts as me actually losing it. But
at least you got it back.
Yeah, and then I lost it again. But this really is a great versatile piece. We love the necklace, so amazing.
Next, we have the Lindsay Albanese Daily Laptop Clutch.
So if you are a super sleuther in the community, you may have seen this amazing laptop case teased earlier last year, but I'm very excited that she is finally coming to spring. She's huge, so she holds up to a 14-inch thick ThinkPad or a 13-inch MacBook. It has a handy exterior pocket so you can throw in your pencils, your phone, a notebook, really any of your essentials. So you are ready to go. Has this very chic herringbone design, and I'm here for it.
I will say my laptop has seen better days, and this just helps you feel put together. I love the pockets because I always have my planner and a pen as well, so I think this is a great pick.
Yeah, no, and I will say we are the same. My laptop has fallen out of my trunk more than one time. Sorry, IT. But this is going to save you every time, and Lindsay is great. She's an amazing creator, but she's an inventor, so she actually created this really cool hat clip. Check her out.
Hat clip, you've probably seen it.
Yes, for sure, but this is super fun. Love this.
Next, we have the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer.
So you may have seen this product because it has gone completely viral, and that's why I'm so excited to have it this spring. This is the all-time best primer out there. It holds makeup in place for up to 12 hours, which is crazy.
Yes, your skin is just beautiful and glowing. I have to ask, are you wearing this?
I am wearing the primer, and I will say, I have skin that tends to eat makeup, so by hour 3, especially if there's any kind of light, my makeup will have disappeared unless I am wearing a primer like this one from Milk. And the other reason why I personally like it so much is it actually is skincare as well. So it has great ingredients like hyaluronic acid and niacinamide, as well as keeping your makeup looking fresh all day long.
And this is 10 times award winning.
Yes, all of the awards.
So
People love
tried
award
and
winning.
true.
Yes, but this is great. I'm definitely picking this one in my box.
It may go quickly, so make sure you get on it.
Yes.
All right, well, thank you for tuning in. That code that I mentioned in the beginning of the show is Spring Close-Up. Have fun customizing your box. Tell us in the comments what you are picking. Katie, what are you picking? You have all the products.
I'm picking it all, but I will say I do think the Bobbi Brown is one of my favorites, the primer and the laptop clutch. What about you?
Oh my gosh, the plant care kit.
Yes.
My plants will be so happy to see me walk in with that. And the OSEA.
Oh yes, that's a must.
I hate that they're in the same customization, but
that's what additional choice is for.
Thank goodness for additional choice, but the question is what's the limit on additional choice? At what point am I going too far on the additional choice,
You can never go too far.
You can never go too far. All right, well, again, have fun customizing your box, and we will see you next time. Bye.